So welcome back to a new vlog, and if you're new here, my name is Idara Essien. I just wanna take you guys through my day today. The only thing interesting in this vlog is probably the Christmas carol that we are holding at church today. And I woke up like a few hours ago, about 3 hours ago. What's the time right now? Check my phone real quick. It's 11:36 a.m. and I woke up like 9 o'clock, so like almost 3 hours ago. I've been cleaning the house bit by bit, preparing it for Christmas, and my cousin and her children, they're coming over to Berlin to spend the Christmas together, so I have to keep everywhere sparkling clean. And yesterday I cleaned the kitchen and today the toilet, and that's just literally the only thing I want to do today, and just kind of use the rest of the day to focus my mind and on the Christmas carol that is happening today at church. As you all know, I think I've mentioned this before, I am a chorister at church, so we've been preparing for this carol for like 2 to 3 months, and today's like the D-Day for this carol, and I'm super excited. Yeah, I was like waiting for this day for a long time because I've been thinking about it, praying about it, and that's why I'm practically not doing much today. I didn't put any appointment today. I just wanna focus and just kind of pray for the carol, and that is what I'll be doing in a bit. And later on I'll show you guys my outfit, my makeup and everything. So I'm just going to pray right now, and then I want to film an outfit video. I haven't done that for a long time, and I'm just gonna select the outfit that I want to film, and just, you know, just put some outfits together that I want to bring in one video for you all, so you guys should stay tuned on that. So my sister's here, she's also vlogging herself as well, so we want to do our makeup.
But the only thing is that our video is very clear than mine.
Then clean your lens.
Then clean it for me.
Okay,
ignore the background.
so let's get started. First off, let me clean her lens. So let me help her clean her lens.
What her duty is to clean the lens.
Yeah. Such a bully. And I'm cleaning her lens for her. Yeah, you all should be that. Like, literally. Cool.
Are you sure this is how you clean yours?
Yeah.
And it's so clean like that?
Yeah. I kind of fixed my hair to be wearable, but I'm taking it off probably tomorrow night or Sunday.
Worship
we just got back, and that's my sister. She already took off her wig. Like, literally, who does that? Her trying to fix her wig right now, and she's gonna be like a total different person right now. That's how beautiful she was. All right, so right. All right, guys, thank you all for coming to Carol with us, and yeah, this was how I looked. I think I showed you guys the outfit at church, and yeah, that's basically it. Like, we just want to clean our room because you guys don't want to see it. It's a mess. She's just unboxing them right now,
but I'm gonna return it.
That's it.
Don't show my bum.
She's gonna return one of his shoes. Yeah, that's it.
No wig. And that's my mom earring she's using.
Oh yeah, I borrowed it. But I don't have red.
I should say it though.
I don't have red accessories, so I borrowed it from my mom. Like stuff like this, I do borrow it from my mom, but it's cute. I really love it. So yeah, that's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Cheers. Bye.